For centuries, science fought back against the flat earthers, proving beyond a shadow of a doubt that our planet is indeed round. But here is the secret they failed to tell you. The Earth is not round. Technically, geometrically, and physically, the sphere you see in school books is a lie. If you could see the Earth from space with perfect precision, you would see a shape that is subtly but measurably distorted. This isn't a conspiracy theory, it's a fundamental scientific fact known as the oblate spheroid. Today, we reveal the subtle bulge at the equator and the flattened poles that prove your planet is shaped like a cosmic spinning jelly bean.
So, what exactly is an oblate spheroid? It is the technical name for a sphere that has been slightly compressed along its axis of rotation, meaning it's flatter at the poles and bulges at the equator. The difference is measurable. The diameter of the Earth, measured around the equator, is about 43 kilometers, or 27 miles, greater than the diameter measured from the North Pole to the South Pole. The reason? This distortion is caused by a powerful hidden force, centrifugal force. Because the Earth is spinning rapidly, about 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator, this motion generates an outward force that pushes mass away from the center, especially along the widest part of the planet. The analogy? Think of spinning dough for a pizza. The faster you spin it, the flatter and wider the dough becomes. The Earth is essentially doing the same thing, just very slowly.
This distortion is not just a geological curiosity. It has profound consequences for physics and space exploration. The discovery. The flattening of the poles was first theorized by Isaac Newton in the 17th century, but it wasn't accurately measured until the 18th century by French expeditions that traveled to Peru and Lapland to measure the arc of the meridian. Gravity anomalies. Because the mass is unevenly distributed, gravity is slightly weaker at the equator and slightly stronger at the poles. This is why you would weigh microscopically less in Ecuador than you would in Iceland. Space travel. This strange, lumpy shape is critical for satellites. Engineers cannot treat the Earth as a perfect sphere when planning orbits. They must account for the oblate spheroid's gravitational unevenness to ensure GPS and communication systems work correctly.
If the oblate spheroid is the technical shape, then the actual shape, the ultimate hidden truth, is something far stranger: the geoid. The geoid is the Earth's true physical shape, defined by the gravitational pull across its entire surface. Because the distribution of mountains, ocean trenches, and deep-lying rock is not uniform, the gravitational field is also uneven. Lumps and dips. The geoid looks like a giant bumpy potato. In areas of high mass, like mountain ranges, gravity pulls harder, creating a hill in the geoid. Over deep ocean trenches, gravity pulls less, creating a dip in the geoid. The sea level is literally the shape the global mean sea level would take if only gravity and rotation were acting upon it. This bizarre, irregular shape is the secret map used by geoscientists, proving the Earth is anything but round.
We started by confirming the Earth isn't flat. We end by confirming it isn't perfectly round either. It's an oblate spheroid. And beneath that, a lumpy, chaotic geoid. The hidden truth here is that even the most fundamental concepts we take for granted, like the basic shape of our home, are far more complex and bizarre than we imagine. The Earth is not a perfectly molded sphere. It is a dynamic, spinning anomaly shaped by cosmic forces. What other simple facts about our planet do you think are actually complex lies? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to Unmasking Truth for more hidden truths.